Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's still here. Today, my dreams have been answered and I'm going to get back. And I was just thinking, excuse my shadow, it's famous by the way. I was just thinking about where to dig today because it's either left or right, but I could also go inwards. And hello, today we've got Mrs. Drinkwater.
Hello.
Thunder and thunder. Happy days. Beautiful day down here in the creek, ladies and gentlemen, and hopefully I am still on the gold. I've got a crevice all the way over there for Sarah to scrape out that I've been looking at for ages. So there's a crevice for her to dig, and I think I'm going to go left and take out all of this overburden. And you know the story. Let's see. Bang. Sarah's crevice for the day. Enjoy. And hey, nice shirt by the way. Let's see if I can get a zoom. Yes, good undertaking.
One of my favourites.
Woohoo! So, she's going to start working on this crevice. Fingers crossed. And that should definitely keep her busy for a while. Enjoy, sweetie. Fun fact for the day. I don't know what this tree is actually called, so it's not really a very fun fact. But the locals here call it scent tree because when you break off the leaves and rub them, it's like women's perfume. So, Sarah's here. Yeah. So, really just wanted to take off the top layer there, and every time I come down here, I try to bring something new. The Pelican pick has been back and forth. That one is now being sacrificed to the creek, and let's see if it has done its job correctly and helped me to find some gold. Sarah's got one piece on the board. She's ahead of me. Sarah is well and truly ahead of me. I have moved all of that material there and got nothing. So, about 4 buckets down and no gold. But I do feel like I'm only just getting to where I want to be. I want to get down in there and clean out that better. I've just taken the top layer off. Fingers crossed the stuff is still down there. Let's go see what type of gold Sarah has though. Okay, so she has done a remarkable job of cleaning out said crevice that I have picked out for her, and it is going down and down. How many pans have you done? Just the one or two?
2 pans.
2 pans. And she is on some colour at least.
Yep.
Yeah. 2 pans, 2 chunky pieces, and a couple of little specks. And she's still got, I think she's just getting to the good stuff now. So, hey, someone's getting some gold today.
Woohoo!
Lovely.
Lovely.
Okay, so the hole is filling up slowly. You can see my beautiful shadow, and okay, that's better. All of the work I've done here, and Sarah's right on the gold. So I'll do another 4 buckets, and if I don't get any gold there, I'll be very disheartened. But I have faith, because I have found a nice little pocket just there. If I don't get any gold that way, I'll just start digging back this way and go that way. Well, I have got 3 pieces, and there could be some more still in the cradle there. That could just be what I've got in the gold trap, but I'm gonna have lunch and a break and check out what gold Sarah's got. I'm sure she's busting ahead of me on that crevice. Thunder, why does she have to do that? Oh, she got some gold. You got some gold there now, Sarah? Let's see what you got. Oh, let's have a look.
1 chunky piece.
1 chunky piece, but you've got a really good little collection for me here.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Cool beans. Well, you are winning at the moment. Not like we're having any yeah, no competition. Here you go, take it back.
Yeah.
And I'll run away and we'll get back into it. Well, it's funny how gold works. I really thought it would have been better going that way, but cleaning this area out, a couple of buckets done, and at least 3 nice solid chunky pieces, which says, Thunder, it could still be there. We'll keep digging and hopefully keep finding. Yeah, I was just thinking to myself like 5 minutes ago that it has been forever since I have specced a piece of gold. And like a good surgeon, I shall try. This spoon will be better. Here. Got it on the end there. Sweet. Bang on. Love, where to go? Love finding, oh, it's a strange piece. I wasn't even showing you guys, sorry. As usual, Doing two things at once. Chuck it in. Yum yums. Okay, so we had a scrumptious lunch of KFC, believe it or not, in the middle of nowhere in the creek. Gold is starting to slow down, so we're going to do just a couple more buckets, get this cleanup done, and begin our journey home and compare our gold ferociously and rivalry-licious together. We'll have two separate weigh-ups. What do you reckon, Sarah? That's all.
Sounds good.
Sounds good. Okay, viewers, cradle's nice and clean, and I shall show you. I put them in two sample bottles because this is what I got throughout the entire day. Not too bad. And that's what I got out of cleaning the cradle in general to add on top, and it just makes it a little bit more fluffier. Not our best day down here, but I am in faith that there's going to be a rock bar down here that hopefully is just going to really put out the goods for me one day. So this is from me from Cradling all day, and this is Sarah's.
Yay.
From her crevicing all day. So that's pretty good. You want to hand me the camera so I can put it on the zoomies and show the people that, yeah, we've actually had a pretty good day on the gold. That's from Cradling, and that's from crevicing. Sweet! Me and Sarah, power couple on the gold. And Thunder hiding over there somewhere. But we're but we're on the gold, we've had fun, and we're going to go home, do two separate weigh-ups now, and hope you guys have enjoyed. We'll catch us next time.
Can't wait. Nice one.
Very nice. Dad'll be happy with that. Bit of punk for his documentary. Yeah. Secrets will be told about this punk, but you'll have to watch the documentary.